In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted TikTok messages. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Start by opening the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Now, go over to the bottom panel and tap on Inbox. This is your TikTok chat list. Here, you can view all your chats on TikTok. Now open any chat from here. If you want to delete any chat, then hold that chat and swipe left. Then tap on Delete. After that, tap on Confirm. Now go to the bottom panel and tap on Profile. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the three bars. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, go to Account. Then tap on Download your data to get a copy of your data from TikTok. After that, go to Select Data to download. Here, you can choose the data you want to download. Select Custom. Then select Messages. This includes direct messages you've sent and received. After that, tap on Done at the bottom. Then, tap on Select File Format. Here, you can choose the file format you want to download the data in. After selecting, tap on Done. Now tap on Request Data to request a copy of your data. Once your file is ready for download, you will find it in the Download Data section as shown. And that's it. You can now easily recover deleted TikTok messages.